You work hard, but your income feels tight. Bills come every month, and sometimes it's not enough. So you think, I need more money, maybe another job, but you're already tired. Here's the truth. You don't always need capital to start earning more. Sometimes you just need skill and consistency. Whether you're in Lagos, London, or anywhere in the world. First option, digital skills. Writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management. You can learn these skills online. Practice daily. Get your first client, even if it's small. Small money becomes big over time. Consistency builds income. Income builds freedom. Maybe your skill is hands-on. Food business, phone repairs, tailoring, car washing, small retail. Start with what you already know. Keep your costs low. Reinvest your profit. Grow slowly. Serve people well. Word will spread. You can tutor online, translate documents, do data entry, record voiceovers. Many platforms pay for small tasks. The barrier is lower than ever. It won't make you rich overnight, but it can change your direction. Extra income reduces stress. It gives you breathing room. Breathing room builds confidence. Confidence builds options. Start with one skill. Improve it daily. Track what you earn. Stay consistent. Low capital is not the problem. Lack of action is. Follow Chris Adat Media.